students. In our today's e-lecture, we are going to discuss about the statement problems of percentage. We discussed yesterday about percentage. Percent means a fraction whose denominator is 100. We have discussed so many methods in our yesterday's e-lecture about how to convert the numbers into percentage or how to calculate the percentage of a given number. Now, I am going to discuss about the review exercise given in your book. Express the following percent into lowest form. 5:1/4%. You have to convert this percentage sign into a fraction in the lowest form. First of all, change this improper fraction in mixed fraction into improper fraction. 5 4s are 21, 21/4 percentage. Now percentage means a fraction whose denominator is 100. Now I am going to remove this percentage sign, that is multiply by 1/100. So the easiest method to multiply the denominator with 100. None of the number in the numerator and the denominator are divisible by any common number. So your answer is 21/400. This fraction is in the lowest form. Next, 32%. To convert this percentage sign, to remove this percentage sign, we have to multiply the denominator, whatever the number in the denominator. If there is nothing, there is 1, get it multiplied by 100. That is 32/100. Clear? Now both the numerator and the denominator are divisible by 4. 4 8s are and 25. So 8/25 is a fraction which is in the lowest form. Next, express the following percent as decimal. You have to remove this percentage sign. It means we have to keep the denominator as 100. A fraction with denominator 100 is percentage. Now we have removed this percentage sign, so we are multiplying the number in the denominator with 100. Now we have to give the result in decimal. Decimal we don't have to remove. We have to give the result in decimal. Bacha, look at the position of the decimal. It is here. Count the number of zeros in the denominator, 2. So decimal will shift 2 place from your right to left. It is here, 2 place. For one place we are having digit 1, and for the second place we are going to place 0. So this decimal will shift here, and your answer is 0.012. Clear? Next, express the fraction as percent. Now we have to convert this mixed fraction into percentage. First of all, change this mixed fraction into improper fraction, that is 13/2. Now to get it into percent, we have to convert it into percent, get it multiplied by 100. 50, 13 into 50, that is 650%. Again, just look at this. Convert this improper mixed fraction into improper fraction, 13/2. To get it converted into percentage, get it multiplied by 100. Here we divide it by 100. Here in this question, you have to convert it into percent. So get it multiplied by 100, 50, and then 13 into 50, 650%. Moving to the next question, convert the ratio into percent. 12:5. Ratio can be written as 12/5. Now to get it into percentage, we have to multiply by 100. The same which we did in the last question. 5 2s are 10, 20, and 12 into 20, that is 240%. In this way, you can change any fraction into percent. Again, change the fraction 12/5 to get it in percent. Get it multiplied by 100 and then cut it. Your answer is 12 into 20, that is 240%. The next, write the following decimal as percentage. Now you have to remove this decimal sign and to get it into percentage. To get into percent, we have to multiply it by 100. Now, look carefully. Count the number of zeros, 2. When the number of zeros in the denominator, your decimal will shift from your right to left, bacha. But now you are multiplying it by 100. Your decimal will shift 2 place from your left to right. So decimal will shift 1 place, and for the second place it needs 0. So decimal will come here. What is the answer? That is 230%. One another method, if you want to, 23/10 multiplied by 100, 0, that is 230%. In this way you also can change the decimal into percents. Next, find 35% of 500 grams. Now you need to find there are so many ways. I have told you, first calculate 5%, that is divided by 20, 25, get it multiplied by 7, because 5 to 35 is 5 sevens are, so you have to multiply the result by 7. Otherwise the simplest way is to change this, we have to simplify this. First remove this percent, that is, we are going to multiply the number in the denominator with 100. So there is 1 into 100, that is 100. Of means multiplication 500. We are taking the digits only because we are taking out the values. So 100 से 100 cut किया, 35 5s are 175 grams. Otherwise there are so many ways you can discuss. We have discussed 5%, then 1%. So this is the simplest way to remove the percentage sign. Get the number in the denominator multiplied by 100. There is 1 into 100, that is बच्चा 100. 100 ही रहेगा. Of means multiplication 500. तो ये cut करके that will give you the answer 175 grams. So home assignment for today. Do review exercise of chapter 5.